Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Mathematics YouTube channel where learning math is made easier. Today we are going to study one of the most basic things, one of the most interesting things in arithmetic progression, that is the formula to find nth term of an AP. Now no need to worry because I know the heading is very long. The formula is very simple. Basically you are just observing whatever you have learned and you are writing it as a formula. Okay, so let's start. But before starting, if you are watching this video for the first time, please watch the video. If you think I'm making sense, only then subscribe. And also if you want the explanations in Kannada, I'll drop the link in the description. You can watch the same explanation in Kannada as well. So let's start. Let me take an example for understanding the same. 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14. There are 5 terms in this arithmetic progression, and the first and the most easiest thing which you can do in any given arithmetic progression is identify the first term. 5 terms are there means you can easily tell which is the first term. All your eyes should come near 2. So here 2 will be my first term. 5 will be the second term. 8 will be my third term. Same 11 will be my fourth term. 14 will be my fifth term. Now, we all know how we represent the terms, right? We represent it using an. N is positive, n always starts from 1. In your problems, what happens is sometimes what they do, they just give the value as a. Given value a is equal to 5, given value a is equal to 17, given value a is equal to minus 7, like that. So, in place of n, if you see, nothing is there. What to do if it's such cases? See, if nothing is given, you know from where n starts. N always starts from 1, 2, 3. So, the first value will be here. So, it's basically nothing but a1. It's okay. You should understand that a1 or a. It is just giving you where it is leading you. It is leading you to the first term. Okay. So, a1 I can also write it as a. Now, look at a2. How do you get a2? See, I am not worried about the values. I am not worried about the number, the value of the common difference. I am worried about the technical information here. Okay. So, how do you get a2? a2 is obtained by adding a common difference to the preceding term. For preceding term, a2's preceding term is a. So, you can write a plus d. Same way. a3, how can you write this? a3 is nothing but you are adding common difference to the preceding term. Preceding term is a plus d. Write it down. a plus d. Same way. If you want to find the value of a4, you are adding common difference to the preceding term. For this term, the preceding term is a plus d plus d. Write it down. a plus d plus d. One last time, to find the value of a5, what are you doing? You are adding a common difference to the preceding term. Preceding term is this. So write it down. a plus d plus d plus d. So if you see, there are many times d respectively in each term. So let me write that information in a much more understandable way. So I will just write a1 is equal to a, because a1 is nothing but a. Now what is a2? a2 is a plus d. Let me write it down. a2 is equal to a plus d. Same way, what is a3? a3 will be a plus 2d. Correct? There are 2 times d here. 2 times d. So a3 will be a plus 2d. a plus 2d. Same way, a4. Look at a4. 1, 2, 3. 3 times d is there with a. So a4 is equal to a plus 3d. What will a5 be? How many times d is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a plus 4 times d. See, you have got a method now. Basically, you have got a method. The method is technical. Now you don't have to go to the traditional method of finding the value, adding the same thing to the last term. No need to do that, because you have got the technical information. It is much more easier. Okay. What information you have got, the same thing I have written here. See, to find the value of each term, you should know the value of first term, you should know the value of common difference. They both are like the pillars of arithmetic progression. What is the pillar? What is the meaning? They are important. See, a and d. Other than a and d, I have not used anything. Find any number of value, a 1000, a 2000, a 5000, you find it. But still, it will just stick to a and d. How do you find each term? See, to find the fifth term, what all I should know? To find the fifth term, I should know the value of a and I should know how many times d is added. See here, 4 times d is added. To find the fourth term, you should know 3 times d is added to a. To find the value of third term, 2 times d is added to a. To find the value of second term, 1 time d. I can just write it as 1 here. 1 time d is added to first term. Same way, to find the value of first term, now think, this is where you have to think. To find the value of first term, what should you do? 0 times d is added to the first term. You know, 0 multiplied with anything is 0, but you'll get back the same thing. So, in place of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you know, these are all the places of n. So, this n, see the beauty of this. This number, whatever you have written, it's the place of n, and this n is also deciding actually how many times d should be added. See, 5 means 4 is there, 4 means 3, 3 means 2, 2 means 1. So, for each numbers written here, this is nothing but the previous number. 4 means 3 is the previous number, 3, 2 is the previous number, 2 means 1 is the previous number. So, now let me just write n here. an is equal to, in all the terms a is there as it is, you don't have to change it, okay. So, I will write a plus, if it is n here, in place of 5, I will just give one example. If it in place of 5, it is, in place of n it is 5, with d it is 4. So, what should I write here? 5 minus 1. So, n means n minus 1 times d. So, this is the formula to find nth term of an AP.